Hello, I am Stuart. Here in the video we will share the details for the Hellblade, Senua's Sacrifice error CreateProcess, return 2. The error message reads, couldn't start CreateProcess, return 2. As per our research, this error occurs when players try to launch the game, but it fails to start and show this error. According to our research, the issue seems to be related to missing or blocked game files, often caused by antivirus software interfering with the game. But don't worry, we have found some fixes that may help you resolve this issue. The first thing we suggest is to check your antivirus software. There have been reports of antivirus programs quarantining game files, which prevents the game from launching. Open your antivirus software and check if any game files have been flagged. If you find any, restore them and try launching the game again. If the game still doesn't launch, temporarily disable your antivirus or anti-malware software. Some security programs, such as MCSoft Anti-Malware, have been known to block .exe files from running. Try disabling your antivirus and check if the game starts without issues. If the error persists, make sure the game is up to date. Check for any pending updates on Steam or your game platform and install them if available. Once updated, try launching the game again. So, there you have it. To fix the issue, check your antivirus for quarantined files, disable your antivirus temporarily, and make sure the game is updated. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.